Hi everyone, here is given that 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x is equal to 1. So we have to find the value of x. Now let's start. 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x equal to 1. Now adding. So it's become 3 times 3 to the power x equal to 1. Now dividing both side by 3. So 3 by 3 into 3 raised to the power x, 1 divided by 3. Now this term will be cancelled out, so 3x 1 by 3. Now 3 power x equal to 1 by 3 can be written as minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 equal to 3 to the power minus 1. So comparing both sides, we get x is equal to minus 1. Now we have to check the value of x in equation 1, we getting or not. So we have given that 3 to the power x plus equal to minus 1. Now plug in the value of x is equal to minus 1. So 3 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 equal to 1. This becomes 1 by 3 here plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3 equal to 1. So 3 times. Hence proved. So our answer is right. X is equal to minus 1.